Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews. Today I'm breaking down the top 14 best blender under $200, perfect for smoothies, sauces, soups, and everyday kitchen use. Whether you're upgrading your setup or buying your first blender, this list is packed with powerful, budget-friendly options worth your attention. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in and find the blender that fits your lifestyle perfectly. Magic Bullet Power Blender. The Magic Bullet Power Blender is one of my favorite compact blenders for everyday use. It's small, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its size, making it ideal for smoothies, protein shakes, and quick food prep. I really like how simple it is to operate. Just press, twist, and blend. The blades are strong enough to handle frozen fruits, while the included cups double as travel mugs, saving time and cleanup. It fits easily on any countertop and is great for busy mornings. If you're someone who wants fast results without complicated settings, this blender delivers exactly that. It's also easy to clean, which is a big plus for daily use. Overall, it's a solid choice for beginners or anyone who values convenience, portability, and reliable blending performance at an affordable price. Ninja Mega Pro Blender. The Ninja Mega Pro Blender is a powerhouse that I recommend for anyone who blends frequently. It comes with a high-watt motor that easily crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients. I love its total crushing technology, which delivers smooth, consistent results every time. The large pitcher is perfect for family-sized smoothies, soups, or batch meal prep. What really stands out to me is its durability and versatility thanks to multiple speed settings and pulse control. Despite its power, it's still easy to use and clean. The design feels sturdy and professional, giving you great value for the price. If you want a blender that handles heavy-duty tasks without slowing down, this one won't disappoint. It's an excellent option for home cooks who want performance without spending a fortune. Oster Pro Glass Power Blender. The Oster Pro Glass Power Blender combines classic design with reliable performance. I really appreciate the glass jar, which feels sturdy and resists odors and stains better than plastic. Its powerful motor handles smoothies, sauces, and even ice crushing with ease. The controls are straightforward, making it beginner-friendly while still offering enough flexibility for different recipes. I also like the metal drive system, which adds durability and long-term reliability. The blender operates smoothly and delivers consistent textures, whether you're making creamy soups or thick shakes. Cleanup is simple, especially since the glass jar is dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a blender that balances strength, durability, and a timeless look, this one is a great pick. It's ideal for anyone who prefers glass over plastic without sacrificing blending power. Koyos 4-in-1 Power Blender. The Koyos 4-in-1 Power Blender is all about versatility, and that's what I love most about it. It comes with multiple containers, making it easy to switch between smoothies, grinding, and food prep. The motor is strong enough to handle frozen fruits and ice, giving you smooth results quickly. I find it especially useful for meal prep since it can blend, grind, and mix with minimal effort. The compact design doesn't take up much space, yet it delivers impressive performance. Cleanup is hassle-free, and the parts are easy to assemble. If you want a multi-purpose blender that can handle different kitchen tasks without buying extra appliances, this one is worth considering. It's a smart choice for busy people who want flexibility, power, and convenience in one compact package. Conchiote Power Smoothie Blender. The Conchiote Power Smoothie Blender impressed me with how well it handles everyday blending tasks. It's designed primarily for smoothies, and it does that job extremely well. The motor provides enough power to blend frozen fruits, ice, and greens into a smooth, drinkable texture. I like its sleek design, which looks great on the countertop without taking up much space. The controls are simple, making it easy to use even if you're new to blenders. Cleanup is quick, and the blending cups are convenient for on-the-go use. If you're focused on healthy drinks and quick breakfasts, this blender fits that routine perfectly. It's efficient, affordable, and reliable, making it a solid option for anyone who wants consistent smoothie results without extra complexity. NutriBullet Mini Smoothie Blender. The NutriBullet Mini Smoothie Blender is perfect when space and simplicity matter most. I like how compact and lightweight it is, making it ideal for small kitchens or quick daily use. Despite its size, it blends fruits, veggies, and ice efficiently for smooth, nutritious drinks. The one-touch operation keeps things simple, which I really appreciate on busy mornings. It's also easy to clean since the cup doubles as your drinking container. While it's not designed for large batches, it's excellent for single servings and personal smoothies. If you want a no-fuss blender that delivers consistent results without taking over your counter, this is a great pick. It's especially good for for anyone starting a healthier routine and wanting something easy, affordable, and dependable for everyday blending needs. Ninja Professional Power Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender is a strong, all-around performer that I often recommend. Its powerful motor and sharp blades make quick work of ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients. I love how smooth and consistent the results are, especially for large smoothies or frozen drinks. The large pitcher is great for family-sized smoothies or frozen drinks. It also features multiple speeds and a pulse function, giving you more control over texture. Even with its power, it's user-friendly and easy to clean. The overall build feels durable and reliable, which adds confidence in long-term use. If you're looking for a dependable blender that can handle everyday tasks and heavier blending jobs, this one is a fantastic choice. It delivers strong performance without crossing the budget limit. Magic Bullet Mini Blender. The Magic Bullet Mini Blender is a simple, compact option that works great for quick blending tasks. I like how easy it is to use. Just load the ingredients, twist and blend. It's ideal for smoothies, sauces, and light food prep. The small size makes it perfect for limited counter space or travel use. While it's not meant for heavy-duty blending, it handles soft fruits and liquids very well. Cleanup is fast since there are fewer parts to deal with. If you're someone who wants a basic blender for quick drinks or small recipes, this one gets the job done efficiently. It's affordable, easy to store, and perfect for beginners or anyone who prefers a minimalist kitchen setup without sacrificing everyday blending convenience. Turler Immersion Hand Blender. The Turler Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile tool that I find extremely useful in the kitchen. Unlike traditional blenders, this one blends directly in bowls or pots, which saves time and reduces cleanup. It's great for soups, sauces, baby food, and smoothies. The motor is powerful enough to deliver smooth textures without splashing. I like the comfortable grip and easy control, making it simple to use for longer periods. It also comes with useful attachments that add extra functionality. If you enjoy cooking and want more control over blending, this hand blender is a great addition. It's compact, easy to store, and very practical. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone who wants flexibility and efficiency without needing a large countertop blender. Ninja Detect Power Blender. The Ninja Detect Power Blender stands out with its smart blending technology. I really like how it automatically adjusts power based on the ingredients, taking the guesswork out of blending. It handles ice, frozen fruits, and thick mixtures smoothly. The design feels modern and sturdy, and the controls are intuitive. This blender is great for smoothies, sauces, and even thicker blends like nut butters. Cleanup is straightforward, which makes it convenient for regular use. If you want a blender that feels smart, powerful, and easy to operate, this one is a great option. It delivers impressive performance while staying within a reasonable budget for a feature-rich blender. GDOR Power Smoothie Blender. The GDOR Power Smoothie Blender is a solid option for anyone focused on daily smoothie making. I like its strong motor, which blends fruits, vegetables, and ice into a smooth consistency quickly. The design is compact yet powerful, making it suitable for small kitchens. It's easy to use with simple controls that don't overcomplicate things. The blending cups are convenient for grab-and-go use, which is perfect for busy mornings. Cleanup is quick since the parts are easy to rinse or wash. If your main goal is preparing healthy drinks without spending extra time, this blender fits that role perfectly. It's efficient, reliable, and budget-friendly. Overall, it's a great choice for smoothie lovers who want consistent results with minimal effort. Amazon Basics Power Blender. The Amazon Basics Power Blender surprised me with its performance for the price. It's straightforward, reliable, and handles basic blending tasks very well. I like its simple control panel, which makes it easy to use right out of the box. It blends smoothies, shakes, and sauces smoothly without unnecessary features. The pitcher size is suitable for small to medium batches, making it practical for everyday use. Cleanup is easy, and the overall build feels sturdy. If you're looking for a no-frills blender that gets the job done without extra cost, this is a smart pick. It's especially good for beginners or anyone who wants a dependable blender for regular use. Simple, affordable, and effective, it delivers exactly what most users need. KOIOS Personal Smoothie Blender. The KOIOS Personal Smoothie Blender is designed for convenience and speed. I like how quickly it blends smoothies and protein shakes, making it perfect for busy mornings. The motor is powerful enough to handle frozen fruits and ice with ease. Its compact size makes storage simple, and it doesn't clutter the countertop. The blending cups are portable, which is great for taking drinks on the go. Operation is straightforward, with no complicated settings to worry about. Cleanup is fast, which I always appreciate. If you're someone who prioritizes health and convenience, this blender fits nicely into that lifestyle. It's efficient, user-friendly, and affordable. Overall, it's a great personal blender for anyone who wants quick, smooth results without extra hassle. Ninja Nutri Power Blender. The Ninja Nutri Power Blender is a strong personal blender that delivers impressive results. I like how powerful it feels despite its compact design. It blends smoothies, shakes, and frozen ingredients smoothly and quickly. The sharp blades ensure even blending, while the cups are perfect for single servings. It's easy to use with simple controls that make blending effortless. Cleanup is quick, and the build quality feels durable. If you want ninja-level performance in a smaller, more personal size, this is a great option. It's ideal for daily smoothies and healthy drinks without needing a large blender. Overall, it offers a great balance of power, convenience, and value, making it a reliable choice for everyday blending needs. That wraps up my list of the top blenders under $200 that truly deliver great value and performance. Whether you want a compact personal blender or a powerful full-size option, there's something here for every kitchen and lifestyle. I've personally reviewed each one to help make your decision easier and more confident. Remember to check the links in the description for current pricing and extra details. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Top Product Reviews, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Top Product Review.